Hey, 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 hey. What's in your kitchen today? In my kitchen today is, well, I'm warming up some cornbread. I got some cabbage. My daughter, she made some ribs. And I'm fixing my husband's plate. And my daughter made some macaroni and cheese. So you know, we're going to have a good time. And yesterday we went to Great Adventures. So my husband, I'm gonna just give him one piece of cornbread. I made fried some chicken and I made some deviled eggs. So I'm gonna put two of these here. There's some chicken. Okay. So this is what's in the McQueen's kitchen today. Cabbage, ribs, macaroni and cheese, deviled eggs, cornbread, and fried chicken. Bon appetit!